HMF factory. So what I got here, I have a shaft for repair. I think this is shaft from the tractor powered lawnmower, and here we can see how it break off. So the best way how to repair this is take this diameter steel piece and just machine new one. Another way is cut like right here and weld, but that is not for a long time. So another way what I will do is I get a material, and so I turn out the board right here by flux machine, and then I cut some crease into the board right here, and I prepare here and from another side for welding. Then I make a shaft like this one, but it will be longer like so, and here will be a treat where can I screw it, and then I have I make like a thicker it, and I can weld around here and from another side weld, and in this way I can repair this shaft. So some interesting piece. So that is the plan how I can done this job. Here is a 1, 2, 3 bearing seats, 1 seal seat. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 bearing seats. Seal. I hope you can see our sheets into there. What else? Nothing special. So, thanks for watching. Good luck and have a nice day.